Hello, my name is Mark from the Automotive Approach. Today we're going to be taking you through a quick video tour of our Skoda Octavia Scout. So this is our Skoda Octavia Scout. It's a 2008, it's covered just over 100,000 miles. It's only had two former keepers, with the last owning it for just over 13 years. And it's got a whopping 12 service stamps in the book. Whilst in our care, we've given it a service, replaced a cambelt, done rear discs and pads. We've had all four alloys refurbished as well, just to really make the car look good. We've also given it a fresh MOT with no advisories and a full 102-point independent mechanical inspection. It is a 2008 car that's covered just over 100,000 miles, so there is the odd little bit on the paintwork and bodywork, but honestly it's really not bad for the age and mileage. It's clearly been looked after with the 12 service stamps. Inside, AM/FM radio with aux input, got rear parking sensors, air conditioning's blowing out nice and cold, electric windows all round, and it's all in pretty good condition. Same story in the back, pretty good condition, you know, odd little mark here and there, but it's really not bad for the age and mileage of the car. And you've also got this nice big boot. Very practical motor. It's a 2-litre diesel, 6-speed manual box, and these 2-litre diesels, they are very economical, cheap to run, lower tax bracket, the low insurance group too. Very practical motor, with the added benefit of being 4-wheel drive. As always, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps us out. And if you have any more questions or queries, please get in touch.